This video will show you the steps to pairing your Amana DigiSmart Thermostat to the new Amana K and J series PTACs. Unlike most older units, the new K and J series unit do not have a visible control panel. The DigiSmart Thermostat, once paired with your PTAC unit, works to quickly and efficiently control your indoor climate. Let's get into the steps. Step 1 is to remove the front cover of the unit by lifting upward and outward. Remove the 3 screws on the control panel to release the panel cover. Once the control board is exposed, make sure to flip the master switch to on. On the control panel, press and hold the red button until the blue light next to it changes its flashing frequency. Note, this may take up to 20 seconds. The next step is to remove the back cover of your Amana DigiSmart Thermostat, making sure the batteries are in. With the blue light flashing on your PTAC unit, press and hold the setup button on the back of your thermostat. The thermostat will show double zeros when paired. Once paired, you will be able to set the temperature and fan speeds of your Amana K or J series PTAC unit through the DigiSmart Thermostat wireless connection. Attach the thermostat to the wall mount and enjoy effortless comfort.